In the previous lecture, we learned how to find the values of the expression by substituting the given values of the variables. Here we have some examples from our exercise in the textbook of the topic algebraic expressions. The first question is that simplify the expressions and find their values. If x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. And the given expressions are, the first is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. The second expression is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. And the third one is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus e. Here we have to substitute the value of x in the first expression. Then 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9 is equal to. Now we have to substitute x is equal to 3. Means 3 into 3, because 3x is there, 3 and x means multiplication is there, so 3 into 3 minus 5 as it is minus x, but the value of x is value of x is 3 and plus 9 as it is. Here 3 3s are 9 minus 5 minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 4 minus 3, means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 9. Again 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 plus 9 is 10. This example can be solved in the another manner, that is, here we have 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Now combining the like terms, we can write is 3x minus x minus 5 minus 9, and 3x minus x, it will be 2x minus 5 minus 9. And now substituting the value of x, that is x is equal to 3, we will get 2 into 3 minus 5 minus 9 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 6 here plus 9 is there. So 6 minus 5 plus 9, 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 9, and that is equal to 10. In this way, we got the same value by solving the expression by second method. Means this is the second method. And now we will see the second example here, that is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2 minus 8 into value of x is 3, 8x plus 4 into again value of x is 3 plus 4. Here 2 minus 8 3s are 24 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 4. Then 2 minus 24 therefore it will be minus 22 plus 12 plus 4. Again minus 22 and plus 12 is unlike signs are there, so we have to subtract 12 from 22. So 22 minus 12 it will be 10 and give the sign of greater number. So it will be minus 10 and plus 4. Again unlike signs are there, and therefore 10 minus 4 it will be 6 and give the sign of greater number, that is minus 6. So minus 6 is the value of the expression. We can solve similar the given example by the second method also. Here we can write minus 8x plus 4x, but minus 8x and plus 4x, these are the like terms. Here we can write 2 minus 4x plus 2. 2 minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus 4 into x is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 2 minus 4 3s are 12 and plus 2, and that is equal to 2 minus 12, it will be minus 10. Here plus 4 is there, so minus 10 plus 4 that is equal to 6. So in this way again we got the same value of the given expression. By both the method we are getting the same value. And now we will solve the third expression, that is 2a minus 2b minus 4 plus a. Here we have to substitute the values of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Now substituting, we will get 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into b is minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 plus a is minus 1. Here 2 into minus 1 it will be minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1. Here we can cancel here 4 and minus 4, but I have solved here minus 2 plus 4 it will be 2, 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1. Here 2 minus 4 it will be minus 2 minus 5 minus 1. Since all the terms have same sign, so we can add, means 2 plus 5 it will be 7, 7 plus 1 it will be 8. So minus 8 is the value of the expression. And now we have the another question, that is what should be the value of a? What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? Means we have to find here 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5, and now we have to find the value of this expression by putting x is equal to 0 in this expression. And therefore here 2x square, but x is 0, so it will be 2 into 0 square plus x is 0 minus a as it is 5 equal to 5 as it is. Here 0 square means 0, 0 into 2 is again 0, 0 plus 0 minus a equal to 5. Here we will get minus a equal to 5, or we can write a is equal to minus 5, and therefore we have to find the value of variable a, that is equal to minus 5. Now there is one more question, that is simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus b. Here we have to simplify first. Means 2 into a square plus ab bracket complete plus 3 minus ab, that is the expression, and we have to find the value of this expression by putting or substituting the values a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 2. First of all, we have to simplify the given expression. Here it is seen that 2 is multiplying the bracket, means 2 is multiplying to each and every term in the bracket. So we will first multiply a square by 2, so we will get 2a square, 2a square plus 2 into ab, it will be 2ab plus 3 as it is minus ab as it is. And now we are asked to simplify the given expression. Now we will take or combine the like terms in the bracket. So here 2a square as it is plus into bracket 2ab and minus ab. So these are the like terms. 2ab minus ab plus 3. Here 2a square as it is 2ab minus 1ab, it will be 1ab plus 3. And now this is the simplified form of the given expression. And now we will substitute the values of a and b respectively 5 and minus 3 in this expression. Put a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3 in 2a square plus ab plus 3, and therefore 2a square plus ab plus 3 is equal to 2 into bracket a square means 5 square plus here ab, a is 5 into b is minus 3 plus here 3 as it is. And now 5 square is 25, 25 2s are 2 into 25 minus here 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15 and plus 3. Here 25 2s are 50 minus 15 plus 3. Here 15 minus 50 minus 15, it will be 35 plus 3, and that is equal to 38. So value of the expression is 38. Now our next point in this topic is using algebraic expressions, formula and rules. Means the first is that the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. We know that all the sides of the equilateral triangle are equal. If L is the length of the side, then AB equal to L, AC equal to L, and BC equal to L. And we know that perimeter means the sum of the length of the boundaries of the given geometrical figure. Sum of the boundaries means AB plus BC is equal to L plus L plus L, and therefore the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3L. Now the second formula is perimeter of a square. Here again this figure is a square having all the sides equal, because here square is a quadrilateral having all the sides equal. So here perimeter of a square is L plus L plus L plus L, that is equal to 4L. Then perimeter of a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means if all the sides of the pentagon are equal, then it is called as a regular pentagon. Or regular polygon, if all the sides of the polygon are equal, then it is called as a regular polygon. Here pentagon has 5 sides which are equal in length. Let L be the length of each side of the pentagon. Then perimeter of a regular pentagon, it will be 5L. And now we will see the area formula, that is area of a square. Here the multiplication of the length of the adjacent sides, that is here into here it will be L square. So area of the square is equal to L square. And area of rectangle, here if we draw the figure of the rectangle, let L is the length and B is the breadth. Again the multiplication of the adjacent sides, L into B. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and that is equal to L into B or LB. So these are the formulas and the rules we are going to study now in the next topic.